Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I'm Zach here. Hope you guys has been a great week for you guys. Alright, so today is Sunday in Singapore, so tomorrow we'll start work, but let's hit the week strong, okay guys. So I know this video is a bit I do this video is a bit impromptu. I just got out of shower and then I just thought like, hey, why not? Okay, I introduce you guys to something new today. Okay, so what is that something new today? It's a little bit different from if you as you can see from my previous channels, my previous YouTube videos. It's all about mainly on PC accessories parts like keyboards, headset, etc. If you guys want to check out more of it, I've linked up this video, the links here, so you can check it out. But today, I'm going to do something different. So I do own a PS5. Okay, so I actually bought some accessories, but I feel that these accessories has not been um, really been mentioned before on YouTube. I also feel it might have a 50-50 kind of reviews or thoughts after I showed you guys. I feel that this is really helpful in my case because my room, okay, or if some of you guys, if your room is a this dust magnet, right? So I believe these accessories will actually tend to help you guys. Okay, so alright, so as usual, I'm so excited to share with you guys what did I buy again this time round. So let me zoom out my camera again. Alright, so you guys can see. Okay, so without further ado guys, okay, this is the acrylic cover, okay, for the PlayStation 5 guys. PlayStation 5. Alright, so I already bought like the charging dock for the PS5, that's one of the accessories I bought. So I thought of like, my room actually has a lot of dust every day, so I have spent quite a bit of time cleaning up. And my PS5 I have been covering up with this cloth, but unfortunately, dust still goes into it. Okay, so that's why when I joined this Singapore PS5 Facebook group. Okay, so one of them actually recommended this accessories. So shout out to that group, the Sony PlayStation 5 groups, Facebook group in Singapore. Kudos to you guys for scouting these amazing accessories. So this seems like a very normal kind of like acrylic. Okay, I believe more of it that, oh, it's just acrylic, but I feel that it works for me. Okay, in the sense that it covers my PlayStation 5 with a lot of dust. Okay, and particularly as I mentioned, my room is a dust magnet. Okay, so what this acrylic does, right, this acrylic cover, right, is very simple guys. Let me just put on my camera. Okay, sorry for the messy cable guys. Okay, so as you can see, this is my PS5, right? My PS5 is here. Actually, if you check out my video before, I actually had the the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless headset. So this is the dongle that comes with it. So unfortunately with this acrylic, right, I can't just slot it in here. Okay, so that is one of the negative point about it. That means all the connection that you have here, you have to remove it. Okay, so the acrylic here, right, okay, this is the back. Okay, so as you can see, there's a cutout here. Okay, so what you can do, right, is this is the back side. Okay, so as you can see, the back side of my PS5, right, is actually, it comes with all the wires and all that, right? Okay, so the wires there, good thing there is you can still leave it there. Okay, so what this does, right, this acrylic does, right, sorry for my jerky camera. So what this does, right, is you just have to be very careful. Okay, putting it here. Okay, just slotting it nicely. Okay, it might take a bit of adjustment. Alright, so just slot it in. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see, it's doing this a bit disrupting my router, but it's fixed. Okay, so guys, let me just zoom in a bit. So basically, this is the acrylic stand. I'm trying to show you guys, right, how it looks like in different angles. Okay, so this is the acrylic stand. Okay, so as you can see, it covers the whole portion of it. Okay, from top to bottom. Okay, so it leaves no room for the dust to come in. The only thing that I can think of that might attract the dust, right, is, let me just adjust the angle. It's actually at the back side. Okay, so let me just try to share. Okay, so as you can see the back side here, okay, you can see my hand. Okay, so here is the opening, so the only thing that the dust will come in is over here. Okay, but overall, if you ask me, you know, the PlayStation 5 is still very well covered, you know, with the acrylic cover. Alright, overall, if you ask me, guys, if those of you guys, you know, your room or your house is a dust magnet like mine, probably you can consider purchasing this. I'm not sure if Amazon have it, but if have, I'll just link it in my description below. If not, I'll just share with you guys the Taobao version. Okay, but I'm not sure if Taobao ships to the US or other region, but it do ship to Singapore. So in terms of pricing wise, you know, it's around $30 Singapore dollars, inclusive of shipping. $20 for this acrylic and $10 for shipping. So it's best that if you guys, you know, can buy you know, a few pieces, share with your friends. Okay, you can share a shipping cost. Or if you guys, okay, have something similar, or a machine that you guys have at home and can do this kind of acrylic, I mean, by all means, go ahead. Okay, it's free. But if not, then probably you can consider this option. Yeah, so basically the reason why I wanted to show you guys these accessories, because I feel it is somewhat still important, okay, as part of the accessories for PS5, because it's still preventing your PS5 being getting very dusty, etc. I mean, it's a new gadget, guys. Okay, it's PS5, everybody wants to protect it, you know. It's in the most with the best condition ever. So that's why I actually wanted to do a very impromptu video today, just to share with you guys, you know, these amazing accessories, in my opinion, with you guys. Okay, so alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoy my video. As usual, please stay safe. Okay, I will catch up with you guys with another video. Cheers, bye.